Hey there! Have you ever encountered the problem where you need to update the modified time of a file in Finder? Just like using the touch command in the terminal? It could be a real hassle when you try to keep things organized and up to date, right? Well, I've got just the solution for you, so stick around. Let's delve into the solution for this little conundrum. The key here is to create a quick action, as mentioned by Dilby. In the process, you'll come across a line of code that looks like this. opendiff $@. This code snippet is crucial for enabling the desired functionality in Finder, so pay close attention to it. Now, let's shift our focus to the next part of the solution. Here, you'll need to tweak the code slightly to achieve the desired outcome. Replace the previous line of code with touch $@. This updated code snippet will ensure that the modified time of the file is effectively changed, replicating the behavior of the touch command. To wrap things up, the solution to your problem lies in creating a customized quick action and modifying the code within to reflect the desired action. By following these steps and making the necessary adjustments, you'll be able to update the modified time of a file in Finder seamlessly. And there you have a problem solved. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy organizing!